When you want to use Figma directly from your Windows 10 desktop, installing official desktop app is a simple solution. Let me show you how to do that. So let's grab the setup file. Open any web browser on your computer. In search bar, type figma.com and hit enter. Once you're on Figma homepage, find the products menu at the top of the page and click on it. From products drop-down menu, find downloads option and click on it. You will now see desktop app section with download options based on your operating system. For Windows users, there are two available options. But for my computer specification, I will click on desktop app for Windows. Installer will now download and be saved to your computer, and this may take a moment, so wait for the download to complete. When download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate Figma Setup Installer. Then double-click on Installer to run it. You will see a prompt asking you to log in through your browser. Just click on that button to continue. This will open a new browser window where you can either sign into your existing Figma account or create a new one. If you are new to Figma, you can sign up using your Google account, email address, or one of the available single sign-on options. For this tutorial, I'll choose Continue with Google to access Figma. Just make sure you entered the correct credentials for your Google account. Once you've entered your Gmail credentials correctly, click on Continue to move forward. After signing in, click on Open the Desktop app button. Then select Open from Confirmation dialog. As you can see, Figma is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 computer. You will see the main Figma interface, where you can start creating new designs or joining existing projects. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.